Welcome to Kusum.net. This is ASP.NET MVC tutorial and you are going to watch part 17 editing a model in MVC. In this session you will learn how to edit a model in MVC. Okay. Before watching this video, please watch my previous parts, part 14, 15 and 16. In previous part 16, I have explained about update model and try update model. So let's check our application to go ahead in this session. So in this session we will learn today when we click on edit button what happened. When we click edit button, it must be displayed the editing page and the details of that ID number of employee IDs detail. Okay, so let's go to the application. This is my application and I will create one edit method to edit the record, right? For that first I will use http work, http get to display the edit page. For that write public action result and give the name edit. Inside of that I will pass ID, data type integer ID, because we want particular IDs record inside of this edit page. So now I have created entities using that class library project. Okay, this is class library business layer 1. Inside of this there is a method to get the records and to add the records, right? So using that we will create a object and using that object we will edit the records. So we will use db object to edit the record. For that what we will do, first we will create the object. Customer is my class name, so customer object equal to new customer, and using db dot db dot customer list. List is my method to display all the list of the employee, and using that list I will find the record of the particular ID. So db dot customer list dot single. Here you will use customer, so suppose cus lambda expression cus dot customer ID equal to which parameter I have passed, ID, so equal to ID, and this is, and the return view. Inside of return view I will pass the object customer, right? So I am passing this object here and will create the edit page. Like right click on this edit method, click on add view and select edit template, model class customer business layer 1, add a file with the same name edit already exists. Okay, no problem, we will replace it. Okay, my view is created, is edit.cshtml, right? And this is using @model business layer 1 dot customer model. Inside of this for city there is editor 4. Please run this. Let's run this program and see what is generating here. Guys, we will not go to directly edit because we first go to the list of the data, and then we will go to the edit page. Directly we can't apply because we need id. Okay, from create new we will go to the create page, but we have to go to edit page, so the list is necessary. So we have come here at the index page. Now I will click on this edit button, and the record must be received here of the id 1, but record is not shown. So where the problem is, you can see here when I click on second number id, it is displayed second, but record is not displayed. So what is the problem? Let's check. And before check the problem, we will create here drop down. Okay, so for that I will edit here in the city HTML editor for drop down list, and inside of this we'll create city, and here we'll use new list of select list item, and inside of that we'll create record new list item, so new selected list item, and then give the city names Surat, not only Surat, text equal to, suppose it is Surat, and value equal to same, Surat, same like this. Another records, okay, Bardoli, Dhule, suppose Delhi, okay, and here we'll add one object, select city, right, and add new class equal to form control. Now this this now check the drop down list is created or not. Guys, you can see here drop down is created now, and all the city list is present here. Now why I don't receive the value? For that, what we, okay, one thing is here, this customer object equal to this customer object equal to this single record, right? So, and this now object will pass into the return view. Now refresh the page and check. First we will go to the index page, not working. Okay, let's play new. Okay, now I will click on this second number record. You can see here the second number record is generated here and display in the edit page. Okay, this is the third number record and this id is present here. Okay, so in this slide I have displayed here, this is my list view, and when I click on this edit button I will get this link, and using this with this link I receive the id, and using that id MVC application is generated this editing form. Okay, now this is using HTTP GET work, but now I want to post this record to the database side. When I click on this, the resource cannot be found this way. Why? Because in the controller side I have used this HTTP verb. Okay, this HTTP GET verb is used to display only the form interface, not to post the data. To post the data we required another method, and that we see in the later session. So that's it for today. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, or if you have already subscribed, please like my channel. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.